Good morning, children. Children, we have been informed that many of you have missed your self-assessment test, which was scheduled on last Friday, that is 15th of May. So please, children, don't worry. It has been again rescheduled for you for 22nd May. Please, those who have not given the test, they can log into EduNext between 9 to 2. 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. children. You can again give your self-assessment test, and please, those who have already given, they are not supposed to give the self-assessment test twice. So we are in last video we have finished till divisibility rules and its exercise. In today's class we will learn about common factors, common multiples, and different type of prime numbers. Learning objective: student will be able to learn the concept of common factors and common multiples. We will also learn about co-prime, twin prime, and prime triplets. Learning outcome will be you will be able to develop the understanding of different categories of prime number, about common factors and common multiples. So let us see what is common factors. Children, you know the factors are the numbers when we multiply, we get a product. Now, common factors. What are common factors? First, we will see we have given two or more numbers. We will find out their factors and then we will find the factors which are common to the numbers. Those common factors we will see in this example. We have number 12 and 16. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Children, you know that the number which are common factors are in red ink. 1, 2 and 4. These are the three numbers which are common factors in 12 and 16. So you can say the common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. So this is the way we are just doing. We are just finding out the factors of 12. Then we are finding out the factors of 16. In the next step, we will look for the common factors, which you see we have circled them 1, 2, 4 in 12 and 1, 2, 4 in 16. So these are the common factors. This is a page from your NCERT textbook. We have more examples. What are the factors of 4 and 18? Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. You can see that 1, 2 are the common factors in 4 and 18. Next example, what are the common factors of 4 and 15? Children, in these numbers, only we have 1 as a common factor because one number is a multiple of 3 and 5 and first number is a multiple of 2 and 4. So we have 1 as the only common factors. Again, the next number, 7 and 16, we again have 1 as a common factors. Children, whenever we have 1 as a common factor in 2 or more numbers, they are co-prime numbers. We'll see this co-prime concept in detail. First, let us see the common factors of 4, 12 and 16. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So again, you will find out the common factors of 4, 12 and 16. So 1, 2, 4, here are these three numbers common. In factors of 12, we can again find 1, 2, and 4. Factors of 16, we again find the factors 1, 2, and 4. So we can say 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors. You have to do this question. Write the common factors of 8, 12, 20, 9, 15, and 21. So these two questions, children, you do it by yourself. You have learned enough about factors. Yes, we have to discuss about co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime or relatively prime if the HCF is 1. That is, they have no other common factors except 1. 1 is the only common factors. Let us see. Please note it down this definition. A set of two natural numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factors other than 1. That is, the HCF highest common factor is only 1. Children, all prime numbers are co-prime. You know that in prime numbers, if we will find the common factors, we will get only 1. It doesn't mean that the composite number cannot be co-prime. No, even two composite number can also be co-prime. For example, 8 and 15, they are composite number. Factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, and 15. So you can see the common factors are 1 in 8 and 15. So we can say that 8 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Children, please make it a note that all prime numbers are co-prime and even two composite number can also be co-prime. Please note it down. We have more examples like 21 and 22. We will write out the factors of 21 and 22, which are 21 and 22 are both composite numbers. You can again see we have only common factor as 1. So 21 and 22 are co-prime number. Next example, 21 and 27. We find the factors of 21, which are 1, 3, 7, and 21. Factors of 27, that is 1, 2, 3, 9, and 27. This is a misprint. There will be no 2 over here, children. 1, 3, 9, and 27. So here 21 and 27 have two common factors. They are 1 and 3. So 21 and 27 are not co-prime numbers because we have two common factors. For co-prime number, we have only one common factor, that is 1. So we have another concept of twin prime. After co-prime, children, we will see what is twin prime. Two numbers are said to be twin prime if there is only one composite number between them. That is, we can say that there will be a difference of 2 between two prime numbers like 3 and 5. They are the prime numbers. Children, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. So we have only composite number between 3 and 5 is 4. Or second, if we find out the difference between 3 and 5, we'll get 2. If we get a difference 2, then 3 and 5, this set is a twin prime set. So two prime numbers are called twin primes. Here we have to take only prime numbers. We will not take composite number. Likewise in co-prime. Co-prime can go with prime and composite both. But twin prime, we have to consider only prime numbers. Those prime numbers which has difference 2 are known as twin prime. Single line definition, children. Please remember. Children, we have 2 or 3 as prime number, but they are not twin prime because the difference between these two prime numbers is not 2. So they are not twin prime. Children, 5 is the only prime number which is available in two different pairs, that is 3, 5 and 5 and 7. We will look many pairs, but this is the only pair we will see that the 5 is existing in both the set, right? Let us see few pairs of twin primes. 3, 5, 5, 7. You can see that 5 is available in this first pair as well as in the second pair. But in other pairs, you can see that you have difference too, but none of the number is coming to the other set, like 11, 13, 17 and 19. The difference is 2. Numbers are different. They are not repeating it in any other set. 29, 31, difference is 2. Again, no number is repeating. 41 and 43, 59 and 61. We have taken all the prime numbers, and whenever we have a difference 2, then we take it as a twin prime. But like 7 or 11, 7 and 11 is a prime number, children. But 7 and 11, this set is not a twin prime. Or 13 and 17 is also a prime number, but this set is not said to be a twin prime because the difference is 4. So I think it is clear to you what a twin prime. There is a third concept, children, prime triplets. We have learned about co-prime, twin prime, and prime triplets. Prime triplets is a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers. Again, we are taking prime numbers into consideration. We are not taking composite numbers. So it is a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers without restriction of any differences. Few examples are like 5, 7 and 11. We are taking 3 sets that are in consecutive. We are not taking a random set like 5, 7 or 13. The 3 consecutive numbers are said to be a prime triplet. 7, 11, 13. Again, this is a prime triplet set. So these are just prime triplet sets. Children, let us see what is common multiples. You know what is multiples? When we multiply a number by its counting numbers, we get a multiples. For example, we can get the multiple of 6 and 7 by multiplying them by 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, so on. Multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 and so on and so forth. These are the multiples of 6. Now multiples of 7, again we will multiply the number by counting numbers like 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. These are the multiples. What are the common multiples, children? Whenever we look for the common multiples between two different numbers, then those are common multiples. A common multiple is a whole number that is shared multiple of each set of numbers. The multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers. For example, find the common multiples of 3 and 4. What we will do? We will first write the multiples of 3, that is multiplying 3 with its counting numbers. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. We will write till 12 or 13, whatever. Then we will write the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are. So now you can see, children, I have highlighted those multiples which are common in 3 and 4. So you can see 12 is a multiple we can get in 3, 24, 36. Similarly, in multiples of 4, we can find 12, 24 and 36. So common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, and 36. Children, this is an example from your NCERT textbook. Find the common factors of 75, 60, and 210. The question is asking for the factors. What are the factors of 75? You know it well. 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, and 75. These are the common factors. Factors of 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 30, and 60. Factors of 210, children, you can write it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, 21, 30, 35, 42, 70, 105, and 210. So the common factors of 75, 60, and 210, you will look for the common factors, which is 1. 1, you can see it is there in all the three numbers. The next number comes 3. 3 you can find in 75. 3 you can find in 60. 3 you can find in 210. This is the next common factor. Next is 5. 5 you can see in 75 as well as in 60 and 210. The next common factor is 15. You can see 15 in 75. You can see 15 and 60 because 15 fours are 60. And next you can see 15 in 210 also. So these are the common factors. Apart from this, you won't get 25 or 75 in these two numbers. So you have find the common factors. The next question is find the common multiples of 3, 4, and 9. You will write the multiples of 3, you will write the 3 multiples, then you will write the multiples of 4, then you will write the multiples of 9. So the common multiples you can see is 36 is available in 3, 36 is available in 4, 36 is available in 9. So on and so forth. 36, 72, and 108 are all these common multiples. Children, we will begin with the exercise.